Hey guys, special edition of Wolf News here.
We have real questions with real people, but with a new host.
It's me, but very bad. Hey guys, this isn't Real Questions, but it's something like it. So it's like rebranded Real Questions. So, yeah. You'll see my shirt change a couple times during this video. I don't know why. It's just like movie magic and maybe my luscious locks. I'm just kidding. All right. Christmas.
I want you.
Awesome. Have you been naughty or nice this year?
Ooh, I would say for the most part nice.
Is it true?
Yes.
I knew it. Have you been naughty or nice this year? Oh.
What?
Is it true
Sure.
that Miss Skalitsky's basketball videos was better than Trevor's? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, AJ. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Have you guys been naughty or nice?
Nice.
No.
What? You're gonna say no? I say nice.
All right, that's kind of true.
Both?
You broke a leg. You've been naughty. What do you want for Christmas?
Animal Crossing.
Nice.
Shoes. Shoes. I don't know. I don't really get presents for Christmas.
Oh, jeez. Hey, excuse me. Do you want to be on the news?
Okay.
Have you been naughty or nice this year?
I think I've been nice.
Great. What do you want for Christmas?
A girlfriend?
Same. All right. Have a nice year. Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Heck yeah. Nice job. Thank you. Is it true?
Yes.
Can I get a goldfish?
Sure. You're welcome.
I abused my power again.
So, what's your favorite color?
Black.
Incorrect.
Nathan, is it true?
What?
Not the answer I was looking for. Can I get a slice of pizza?
Of course you can.
Heck yeah. You heard it from here. What's it like dating Cammy?
It's really fun.
I doubt that. How'd you guys like that? Probably not that much. But still, if you want real questions back, scream at Trevor Vega and not me. I don't have any control over this. See you later.
Wow, Evan, you were really funny in the real questions with real people.
Bloopers. Hey guys, Evan here. I went to the haunted house. It was pretty spooky.
First up, there's a football game this Friday here at I almost said Hamilton.
Can you put it up above it now?
Oh.
Like, I can't block the camera, bro. Put it above the camera.
Oh.
Good morning, Chandler High. Welcome back to another segment of Restart It.
I have a cosplay TikTok. It has like 3 videos.
Put it up on the thing.
What time
Watch.
is it?
We're gonna do some crazy cool effects.
You look like those TikTok boys. Like, you do the art boys? The art boys? I'll take this then. Welcome to Real Questions with Real People. You know the vibes.
Hi guys, this is very scary. I am terrified.
Yeah, I'm really scared of student council. I feel like they're gonna yell at me for putting the wrong information up. I think that's a very fun thing to do. That's it for this week, Wolves. See you next year.
I thought y'all.
Church portfolio. Right now you're working on your essay?
Yeah, I only have the 3rd paragraph done. There's 8 paragraphs total.
Okay. Ooh, look at that guy.
Hi.
Hello, world. I didn't see you there. This is Miranda from Student Council Corner.
Can dogs eat marshmallows?
It's just sugar.
I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna walk out this door and I'm gonna quit. Just kidding. Never quit.
Hey Evan, what do you want for Christmas?
Nothing. Nothing makes me happy.
That's nice.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Oh, sorry, we didn't see you there. I guess we should do an outro. Yeah. We'll see you next year, Wolves.
Happy holidays.